Nandita. Welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you all my Body Cupid perfume and body mist collection. All of these has been sent to me by Body Cupid. I have not paid for them. I have tried out most of them and I really like using them. Both perfume and body mist are my favorite, but specifically for the summertime, I think body mist are very useful as I feel very refreshed after using them. So let's get started. Let me tell you one thing, that perfumes are long lasting. They can stay up to 8 to 9 hours or more, but body mist you need to reapply them, so you may need to carry them if you get your hands on them. So let's get started. Let me show you the first perfume that I have used from Body Cupid. It is the Secret Love perfume. Has a very light pinkish tinge to it. The bottle looks so pretty and it is priced at rupees 899. It's the 100 ml bottle. Now let's move on to the smaller size of it. I do have the smaller size of this one. This one is the Secret Love perfume. This is the 30 ml packaging, which is priced at rupees 299. Just let me check if I'm seeing it correct. Sorry, this is for 399. This is the outer box, how it looks like. Most of the perfume has similar outer boxes except one of them. So this is how the perfume looks like. You can actually carry it, although it's a glass bottle, but I think if you carry it properly it won't break. Now let's move on to the second perfume that I tried from Body Cupid. This is the Sweet Passion perfume. Now this perfume is also pretty strong and long lasting, just like the Secret Love perfume. It has a light yellow tinge to it and the bottle absolutely looks beautiful, and it is similarly priced at rupees 899. This month again I received the Sweet Passion perfume. This is brand new one and I haven't broken the seal, so I am going to finish this one and then start using this one. Also, I received this one in my Valentine's Day gift box a couple of years back and I am still to use it. I have used it a few times and I really love the very strong smell. So I think this is perfect for evening outings, maybe date or maybe weddings or any function that you're going. You can try this out that time. Let's move on to the most used perfume, which is the beautiful Rose perfume. Have a very light orange tinge to it. The bottle looks so pretty. There's Body Cupid written on the top, and again it's priced at rupees 899 and it smells of real roses. You can use it at daytime and also at night time. And the outer packaging of this perfume looks a bit different, so let me show you the box, how it looks like. So this is how the outer box looks like of the beautiful Rose perfume. Then we have, let me show you a daytime perfume, which is this one. It's the Scandal perfume by Body Cupid. It looks so pretty. Again, this is the 100 ml bottle. Has a very light pinkish tinge to it and it smells so good. It's perfect for people who go for work, so you can definitely try this out. And now let's move on to a nighttime perfume, which is one of my favorite. This is a Flirtatious perfume by Body Cupid and it has a very light yellowish tinge to it. It stays on for really long and the perfume is very musky and like very strong, so I think this is perfect for nighttime. Then let's move on to let's move on to some men's perfume. So if you are an office goer and want something that is mild, not over the top, you can try out the Aqua Storm perfume, because it is like really long lasting but it's not over the top. And the outer packaging, let me show you the outer packaging of this bottle, because it looks a bit different from the other perfumes. Like this is men's perfume, so the outer box is also black. And another perfume for men, which is perfect for date nights or like any events basically, which is this one. It's the Mr. Wonderful perfume. The bottle looks so beautiful. It looks very stunning. I really like this one too. So I've actually used both of them. I really like them. This one is very musky and I would say it is over the top, so you can definitely go for this. Now I'm going to show you a perfume that's perfect for daytime. It is the Rose perfume. This one is brand new, haven't broken the seal. I'm going to use it later on, but this is how the packaging looks like. This is how the bottle looks like. It looks so pretty, has a very light orangish tinge to it, and it is priced at rupees 899. Last perfume that I'm going to show you is the Tube Rose Love perfume by Body Cube, and this is how the bottle looks like. It looks absolutely stunning and I really love the fragrance as well. The fragrance is long lasting and strong, and the name says it all. It smells like tube roses. Now let's move on to the body mists. So let's start with the vanilla body mist. This is how it looks like. It's plastic packaging. You can carry it in your bag. That's the best part. It smells amazing and it is priced at rupees 299 for 100 ml. It has a light yellowish tinge to it, which I really like. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, so also I received this one in my Valentine's Day gift box. I'll leave the unboxing video in the description of this video. Do check that out. And then I have the cucumber and melon body mist. Haven't used it yet. I will use it and then share my review on my channel, so look out for the review when it is up. And another body mist that looks absolutely beautiful is the Lily body mist by Body Cupid. So I haven't used this one as well till now, so I will use it and share my review on my channel. Do look out for that one too. And then so this one is the 200 ml bottle, which is priced at rupees 499. Has a very light yellowish tinge to it. It smells of fresh flower. So definitely try this one out if you love the smell of jasmine, and if you love the smell of roses just like me, then do try out the beautiful Rose body mist. It's perfect for summers. If you want to go for a very light and not long lasting smell, you can try this out. Otherwise you can try out, as I've already shown you, which is this beautiful Rose perfume. Smells similar, but this is long lasting, and this is not that long lasting, but this is refreshing. So that's it for this video. I will be back with a new video very soon. So like this video, share this video, and do watch my other videos too, and give your very valuable feedback, and I'll see you soon. So stay tuned. Bye.